Ah, Pip, look at those apples. Time to harvest. Quack, quack. Too high, Pip. Too many. How will we get them all?
A-H-A. The tractor.
Quack.
Zoom. Almost ready, my friend. Just a little more. To the apple tree, Pip. Full speed ahead.
Faster, Max.
Whoops! Almost there.
Quack. Trickier than it looks. Just one?
That won't do for apple pie.
Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, Pip. Oh, Pip. What are we gonna do?
Quack, quack.
Of course. We need a better catcher.
Now to combine them. Pip, assist. Careful there, Pip. We need this tight.
Behold, the apple catcher 5000. Perfect. Now for the real test. It works! We've got him!
Quack, quack. Aha.
Another basket full! Good eye, Pip! Look at our bounty, Pip! All thanks to teamwork.
Bye-bye.
Honk, honk! We did it!
Almost done, Pip. Strong work.
Best apples ever. Another perfect day on the farm, little helper.
Chattering. Quack. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Beep. Phew. Peep?
Oh, what's that over there, Ducky?
Beep, 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 beep. Ooh.
Not good, Ducky. Not good at all.
Beep. Aha!
Pooh, quack.
Got it!
Hold tight, Ducky.
Quack, 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 quack. Peep squawk. Phew.
Peep.
Peep. We made it, Ducky. Safe and sound.
Tomorrow, Ducky, we rebuild.